Thanks guys for giving me this fresh squeezed Meyer lemon juice. Now that we have about a cup of it, it's time to make some lemonade, and a version that's a little better for you when we substitute the honey in for raw sugar. When making the lemonade, it's nice to easily dissolve the sweetener, whether it be the sugar or honey. So the trick is to use 1 cup of hot water to dissolve the sweetener. So I'm going to place half a cup of honey and 1 cup of hot water into a bowl and then stir to combine until the honey is dissolved. To the honey water mixture, I'm going to add 1 cup of water to begin the cooling process. It's down to 93 degrees. We want to make this cool to drink right now, so added about a cup of ice. I'm trying to make 5.5 cups of lemonade, so I added some more water to get to the 5.5 cups. Checking the temperature again, it is now a cool 48 degrees Fahrenheit. Time for a taste test. It's a little more tart than I was expecting, but the lemon and honey flavors are there. My kids, after tasting it, were not impressed, but my wife loved it a lot. To fully understand the creation of this lemonade, you should watch this next video to see the creative way I used to squeeze the lemon.